When moving overseas, ensuring the protection of your personal belongings is paramount. At First Move International, unbeatable packing is our promise. Our unique safer packing system offers the best protection for your belongings and is designed to minimise handling and keep your items secure and separate from other shipments. Our experienced packers carefully disassemble and wrap each item by hand, using multiple layers of high-quality export standard packing materials. Every item, no matter how unique, is wrapped and packed with care and attention to detail. Large furniture, such as tables and sofas, are carefully encased in wrapping paper, with additional layers of padding and protection added, ensuring every piece arrives without a scratch. Once all items have been individually wrapped, our expert packers begin the palletisation process. Your items are carefully arranged onto the pallet, making efficient use of all available space. No two pallets are the same, and great care is taken in ensuring that all items fit together snugly and with minimal movement. Items are bound together with layers of stretch wrap, cardboard and bubble wrap to keep them in place and protected. Finally, we encase the shipment in our signature black shrink wrap, which is heat treated to provide a tight seal. We then strap band and security seal your pallet, finalising the process and leaving your personal belongings as one easy-to-handle unit. If you're moving overseas, choose First Move International for a faster, safer, smarter move. Visit our website for a free quote or get in touch today to find out more.